Hi, welcome to the School of Pharmacy at Medhavi Skills University. This is Dr. Sanal Mustafa, Principal. From the very beginning, our vision has been to go beyond traditional pharmacy education. While the school is fully approved by the Pharmacy Council of India, we see regulation not as a limit but as opportunities to innovate. Our focus is on building a skill-driven learning ecosystem that prepares students for real-world pharmaceutical careers. With advanced smart classrooms and high-tech laboratories that meet Pharmacy Council of India's highest standards, we ensure students learn in an environment that mirrors modern pharmaceutical industries. From precision weighing rooms to sterile formulation areas, our facilities are designed for accuracy, safety, and hands-on learning. We offer 100 seats in the Bachelor of Pharmacy program and 60 seats in the Diploma in Pharmacy, supported by a curriculum that is fully aligned with the new PCI framework as a National Education Policy 2020 compliant university. We integrate flexible credits, multidisciplinary electives, and competency-based learning, keeping our students ahead of the curve. Learning here goes beyond textbooks. Our students are guided by industry professionals actively working in manufacturing, regulatory affairs, and marketing, gaining exposure to the complete drug life cycle from the lab to patient care. At the School of Pharmacy, we don't just teach pharmacy, we prepare students to lead the future of healthcare.